Welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa JOAT, and today I am using the Jackie Aina palette with ABH. Woohoo! Applause, applause, applause. Just wanted to come here real quick and show you guys again what other look I can come up with this palette. There's just so many looks that you can come up with. These are wonderful colors, and I just want to say congratulations to Jackie Aina on her collaboration with ABH. Hold on. Girl, check this out. Solid 14 colors, shimmers and mattes. These colors are pigmented. The shimmers are wonderful. Girl, she delivered. You hear me? She delivered. So I saw one of her pictures on Instagram. I was like, oh, I like the way she looked. So I am emulating her style. So today is all about Jackie. You cannot review anything about Jackie Aina without doing the legendary Jackie Aina dance. Gotta do the legendary Jackie dance. Just gotta do it. Jackie, 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 Jackie. I am so excited for this girl. She works hard, man. Hard work pays off. We are all on here trying to make it, trying to work hard and nail this thing, and sister girl is doing it, and you gotta give her props when props is due. I bring you a video every week on Fridays, and so make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so every Friday when I upload you will be notified to watch my videos. Otherwise, what is the sense of subscribing if you can't see any of my videos again, right? This palette is so beautiful. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Let's look at a few swatches from this. All right, that was Zam. That's one of my favorite colors. This is Soleil. Zam and Soleil. Next, we're going to look at this one. That is Supreme. And Wigglies, my favorite. Oh gosh, look at that. Look at that color. This one here is pinker. And beside that is Shookington. Look, the color payoff is ridiculous. This one here is Big Wig. And Trust Issues. Trust Issues. Has like iridescent shift to it. Another one of my favorites is Zawless. Zawless. And Edges. Zawless and Edges. This one is Credit. This dark brown. Beautiful color. Credit. Very nice. And Sponsored. It's like a greenish brown color. When I received this yesterday, I went ahead and did a live review. And so if you want to see it without it being touched, you can look at my live review. This is Lituation. Lituation. Ginger. Lituation and Ginger. I've got my face on. All I have to do is my eyes so we don't waste any time. I'm going to use this soft ochre paint pot, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelid.
One eternity later.
This is just an e.l.f. blending brush, and I think I am going to go into Ginger. I'll bring you guys a little closer. There, how's that? Going with Ginger. And then I think I'm gonna go into Credit. Put that in here. Put Credit on the side, and I'm kind of just blending it back into the ginger and flicking it up a little bit. The colors are just so pigmented. You don't have to work too hard with them. And so this is going to be a quick eye look. I'm telling you, like, I have a feeling. I got the feeling. Ooh, tonight's gonna be a good night. I want to try this one. This sponsored color here. It just looks interesting. Let's see what I can do with it. These colors are just so beautiful. What can I do with sponsored? I'm gonna try here this lituation. I'm gonna see what lituation looks like. It's amazing. It even goes over the matte just so good. And it almost looks like a cut crease or something. I'm going to go back into Soleil, and I'm going to use Soleil to pick up the middle here to kind of continue the lituation. So pretty. Everything is just so nice, so nice. I'm going to go into Zola's and just kind of put it on top of fallouts in here, and just kind of put it on top of sponsored. Zola's on sponsored.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't want to fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
I'm going to go into the purple and see what I can do with it up here somewhere. Touch of purple up here.
I promise, now's not the right time.
And I'm going to go into credit and kind of really darken what's going on here. Purple is not really doing anything for me, so I'm going to go in with this brown and just kind of darken everything on the side and pull it in. Take a touch of Supreme, which is this pink, front and back. And I'm just kind of going to use it to blend into my brow bone a little bit and leave it alone. So I'm just blending everything, kind of making the edges smooth.
Yeah, I don't want to fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't want to fight. I would rather lie to you.
I have mascara on, just ruining my stuff. Just making it kind of, when you pray to God, you tell him what you want. One day, when I make my palette, Morphe and Too Faced collab with me, it will be crazy. You guys will see all the beautiful colors I'll come up with. So,
I don't want to fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't want to fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints in the heart.
I'm going to do my lips. Do I think that the palette was worth $45? Absolutely. I definitely think that it was worth the amount of money that I paid for. It was free shipping, $49 plus tax. So I'm going to use a red lipstick for the top.
Right on the line, no. Losing it on you,
So that was Ruby Woo by MAC. I'm going to use All Fired Up by MAC at the bottom.
you so last thing
My eye could use a little bit of some glam, so I'm gonna go into Soleil and kind of just make it a little bit more popping, because this side could be a little bit more brighter, I think. So all I gotta do is my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my final look for today using the Jackie Aina palette. I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed watching this video, why don't you thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to recommend my videos for other people to watch. So hit the thumbs up. Make sure to comment. They are all very important. Leave a comment. You're almost at 500 subscribers. Go ahead and share this video with your friends so that we can hit 500 really quick.